actually got some decent weather. So we gotta do a little
decent weather.
Yeah, it's not bad. So we gotta do a little plowing. We're full Canadian plaid. Got my plaid underwear on. But we gotta fire up the plow vehicle. Let it warm up. It looks a little icy. Parked on the street for a few days, so let's see what happens. Tunnel ramp. Alright, well, let's let it warm up a little bit, and then we'll go push some snow around. Alright, we got the hot rod all fired up. We actually came out to a little field here we're going to try and plow. Typically I just do, like I have been using it, just for my driveway, my old man's driveway, but that's a bunch of back and forth, a bunch of screwing around. Maybe we'll end the day with that. But everyone thinks this thing can't plow. And it can. And it does a good job. The only issue we have, the plow mounts so low, it does catch a lot of snow. So you gotta be a little leery, and I got no weight in the back. But we got the chains. So I think what we're gonna do, a little plowing. Danny's actually in there setting up the drone. That's what you're doing, droning. So we'll get a few drive-bys, get a few drone shots, do that. And then we're gonna go home. I'll pull the tire chains because those are not really legal on the road and they ride like crap. And we'll actually gotta run some errands in this thing. So we'll go take it to Canadian Tire, do a few things, get it out in the wild, maybe see what people think of it. Because I've only been driving just around home and stuff, but it's a nice day. Enjoy it. And all the haters, man, come on, it's a 55 Chevy snowplow. A little bit of salt won't hurt it. All right, so we pulled the chains off. I gotta say, I think these chains made a pile of difference, and there's no weight in the back. But we do have these old school mud snow tires that I pulled out from my old man's porch. So we'll see. At least now we'll be able to whip some donuts really good. I was worried these were going to tear up and mess up my perfectly primered quarter panel. Well, we're searching for snow. It's a pain, but I think we found this old road. There's a bunch of snow on the side, so Danny's got the drone all set up on the hood, so we'll take that off and we'll do a little drone shots. Driving around, people dug it. I think we'll just do a couple I want to see what this thing will do with the plow down, and see if they'll do some real tight donuts all the way in the front end. I think it'll be pretty good. Or no. With the plow down, it really, that's just squirting rubber there. It must have really been a few RPM in the tires. The speedometer was pink the whole time.
It really whipped though.
Yeah, that's for sure. Times there. Those chains, I'm telling you, you need tire chains. We should Google and see if they're legal to drive on the street, because they are.
What are you doing with our perfectly good Christmas tree?
We gotta recycle this sucker.
Reduce, reuse, recycle.
Let's go do some burnouts first.
A little bit of a low clearance there, hey?
Strap isn't the best for my posture, but I probably should have put it a little further back in the door. Oh. It's worth it for the burnout. Why use a truck? Why use a truck when we can just do this?
It's an all-purpose vehicle.
We have like 3 trucks and we're driving the 55 Chevy to plow on.
Ooh, it smells nice here.
Why do we have the worst?
We should have just waited till after Christmas and taken one of these. You think we could take one now and just pretend? tree.
Well, that's it for this video. Thanks as always for watching. Subscribe to the channel, tell your friends if you comment. If you want to see more stupid junk, let Danielle know. She encourages this. See you guys later. We just happened to see Murr. I bet he's proud. Look how proud he's going to be. Look for the proud look.
Never has there been prouder parents of their
Oh,
child.
that's good. You did this, Murr.
That was a good double take.